Hello everyone, welcome to R&H Academy channel. Today we will solve question number 1. But before that, you must know the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. If you don't worry. Watch the previous video, and if you do, let's solve question number 1, which says express each number as a product of its prime factors. We'll solve this question via division method. So let's find out the prime factors of 140 by division method. (140) is divisible by 2 since its ones place digit is 0. Again, 70 is divisible by 2 since its end with 0. 35 is neither divisible by 2 or 3, so we'll check whether 35 is divisible by 5 or not. Yeah, 35 is divisible by 5. Now 7 is a prime number, so it's a factor of 7. Hence, the prime factors of 140 are, it can also be expressed as (2 square multiply 5 multiply 7). Let's solve the another part. We have to find out the prime factors of 156. Since 156 one's digit is 6, thus it's divisible by 2. 156 divided by 2 is equals to 78. Now 78 again ends with 8, so it's divisible by 2. 78 divided by 2 is equals to 39. Now 39 is divisible by 3 because sum of digits of 39 is divisible by 3. What I mean is 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. Thus, 39 is also divisible by 3. And 13 is a prime number. Thus, 13 is divisible by 3, and the prime factors of 156 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. It can also be expressed as 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. We'll move to the another part. Let's solve the third part, where we have to find out the prime factors of 3825. Now this number is not divisible by 2 because it does not end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But let's add the digits of 3825 to see whether it's divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. And 18 is divisible by 3. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. And 3 fives are 15. Hence, 3825 divided by 3 is equals to 1275. Again, we'll add the digits of 1275. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, which is divisible by 3. And now 5 and 3 fives are 15. So 1275 divided by 3 is equal to 425. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, but 425 is divisible by 5. So 5 8s are 40 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. Now 17 is a prime number, hence 17 is divisible by 17. So the prime factors of 3825 are 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 17, or 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 5 raised to the power 2 multiply 17. Time for the fourth part of question number 1, where we have to find out the prime factors of 5005. Since 5005 ends with 5, thus it's not divisible by 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, but it's divisible by 5. Now 1001 is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5, but it's divisible by 7. You can either learn the divisibility of 7 or you can do hidden trial method. So 7 1s are 7, remainder is 3, 7 4s are 28, remainder is 2, 7 3s are 21, remainder is 0. So 1001 is divisible by 7. Now 143 is divisible by, it's divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11 and 11 3s are 33. Now 13 is a prime number, hence 13 is divisible by 13, and the prime factors of 5005 can be expressed as 5 multiply 7 multiply 13. Finally, solve the fifth part of question number 1, where we have to find out the prime factors of 7429. 7429. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. And 13 plus 9 is 22. It's not divisible by 3. And so on. If we try, we'll find out that 7429 is divisible by 17. Either you can learn the divisibility rule of all the prime numbers, else you can keep doing the trial method. So 7429 divided by 17 is 17 4s are 68, which is equals to 6. Remainder is 6. 2 17 3s are 51. And 17 7s are is 119. Hence 17 into 437 is equal to 7429. Now 437 is divisible by 19. Again, either learn the divisibility rule of 19 or keep doing hidden trial method. So 437 divided by 19, 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. And since 23 is a prime number, hence Now 7429 can be expressed as 17 multiply 19 and multiply by 23. Now remember, it is tough to do these questions, and Rome was not built in a day. So keep practicing, and practice makes a man perfect. So it takes time. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends because they'll also be stuck with the same problems like you are, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Thank you.